So really?
Alam ng asawa ko na super fan ako ng Eraserheads. Kaya sinurprise niya ako ng VIP tickets ng concert nila dito sa Los Angeles. Dahil may kasamang meet and greet ang ticket, kaya dali-dali akong gumawa ng personalized stateside t-shirt na may nakapalitan na E para ibigay sa aking iniidolong banda. At hopefully ma-fulfill ko ang goal ko na maipakita ang Fruitcake album tattoo ko sa Eraserheads. Bilang isang 90s kid, super fan ako ng Eraserheads. Kaya sobrang excited ang pakiramdam na mapanood sila ng live. I'm with my wife and friends na manonood ng Eraserheads concert dito sa Los Angeles, California. First Filipino to perform here at Peacock Theater, Los Angeles. Dahil sa Los Angeles ginawa ang concert, hindi lang Eraserheads ang makikita mo dito. Paki-comment kung kilala nyo sila.
Sir Glenn. Of course. Sir Paco. Thank you, sir.
Hey guys.
Can I have a... Sir, you want picture yan eh? Right there. Thank you, sir.
Ayan, kasama na sa picture. Hehe. Dahil super VIP pala ang ticket na kinuha ng asawa ko, meron kaming early access, especially sa soundcheck. Napakaastig, di ba? Sobrang kakaibang experience dahil mapapanood mo sila habang nagpre-prepare pa lang sila para sa concert. Astig, di ba?
Please don't feed the band. They try to train us. We're too young.
After the sound check, pwede mo na silang lapitan at magpapirma, magpapicture. Ito na ang pagkakataon ko. First, si Sir Buddy Zabala, the bass.
Wait. There you go. Thank you. Alright, nice.
Sir Buddy, this is for you.
Oh, wow.
And I want to show you my tattoo.
Astig. You gotta show that to Raymond.
I know.
Ellie did the drawing on that. He's gonna be
Thank you, thank you. Success! 1 down, 3 more to go. Next up, Idol Raymond Marasigan, the drummer. Raymond, this for you.
And I want to show you my tattoo.
Nice, I have that on my back.
Oh, really? Thank you, sir.
Achieve! 2 more to go. Sir Marcus Adoro, the lead guitar.
I'll show you my tattoo. Thank you, sir.
Sobrang cool. Isa na lang. Sobrang daming tao, hindi ako makasingit. Sir Eli Buendia, ang idol ng lahat. Lead vocals and guitar.
Sir Eli.
So close, yet so far. Ay, lumayo. Ayan, malapit na ako. Ito na ang pagkakataon ko.
Please do not forget to share your photos and memories with us on social media. Please tag the Eraserheads at their official hashtag at Huling El Bimbo Concert. We look forward to seeing
Ito na.
you in a little bit.
Ito na.
Eli. Eli. Eli.
Ayun, sablay.
Miss Audrey, hey, give it to Ellie.
Thank you, Miss Audrey, for saving the day. Hindi ako miluhan.
Thank you. Jeff, I want to show the tattoo. Yeah, thank you, Audrey.
At binidyohan pa ni Miss Audrey ang aking tattoo. So hopefully makita rin to ni Sir Eli Buendia. Anyways, hindi ko alam kung susuotin nila ang aking bagong t-shirt. Masaya na din ako dahil napakita ko ang aking Eraserheads tattoo fruitcake album sa aking iniidolong banda simula pagkabata. Kaya maraming salamat for making the soundtrack of my life. Astig, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Ayos.